Good afternoon, everybody. This is Doug from Darkwater North. If you can see the subscribe button, I'd appreciate it if you hit it right now. Thank you very much. We're going to go over some EDC, so stick around and we'll get right into it. Here we got the Buck 874 Mini Iceman. The Buck Kingsman 311, the Spyderco Delica 4. This is a generic knife made by Castleman, which was a gift through some gifting company. We got the Coast LX280, the Sport Utility Knife by Maximum, made for Canadian Tire. The Walt folding pocket knife with a wire stripper, and the SOG flare with assist open. The DeWalt multi-tool with 16 different tools. I got a Casio watch with a vibrating alarm, so in the midst of much noise at work you can still know it's time to call in. I got the Nikkor MH10 flashlight, maximum 1000 lumens. Got a little NITE-IZE here, which is only 80 lumens, but it has a number of other features. A red beacon light on the end there. A bunch of keys for work and home, and key to my truck and the minivan. Carabiner here by Black Diamond. This is a Citizen. Notice that it's upside down. And it's 5 o'clock. Solar watch. And I got a paracord bracelet with the Condor bush lower, Bic lighter, tactical pen, and some flat sunglasses. So periodically carry a combination of these. Just let me know what you think and what you carry in the comments. If you happen to watch this video, I'd appreciate it if you liked it and subscribe to the channel. But take your time to think out a comment and let me know some of the things you carry. I'd much appreciate it. So have a great day. This is Doug from Darkwater North saying goodbye.